Hello guys, welcome to Picky Watch Review Hong Kong, and today I brought a good watch to review with you. The brand of this watch is Sanmartin, and you can see it is a Seiko inspired watch, and it has GMT complications, and that means this watch can show the time of two different locations because it has a normal hour hand and a red GMT hand. And this watch, let me introduce it a bit first. So this is the model number of this watch, and here is a is an adventuring dial, and my watch here, the dial is a different material. It's called a lapis lazuli dial, so it's a natural mineral, and you won't get another same piece of lapis lazuli because it's natural from the natural. Its pattern is formed from natural materials. So basically, the model of this watch is SN0129G, and the last digit would be different, depends on the dial. So let's go back to the watch. And this watch has a GMT function. It is using an NH34 movement, which is from Japan, and this movement has a vibration of 21,600 vibrations per hour, and it has a hacking function. And also the movement has 24 joules with 41 hours of energy storage. So 41 hours is a little bit less than 2 days, so it could be your you can skip one day to wear it in a week's time. Yeah. That means maybe in 1 week's time you wear two watches. One is this, and the other one you switch day by day, and it will keep moving, no problem. So basically, because it is a GMT watch, it has 4 hands. You can see 4 hands. The extra hand, the basic 3 hands, and the extra hand is the GMT hand. And because of it is approaching 12 o'clock, so the day wheel is turning to the next date. Okay, it's a window date, as you know. And this watch has a steel bezel, which is stationary. It cannot be moved. It's built in, and no movement allowed. And this watch is made of 316 steel, as you can see. Some of the tape I haven't even taken out. And a screw down crown with Sanmartin wording and the logo. And you can take a look. Just like other Sanmartin, it has very good, majorly it is a brushed metal case with some polished features, which is very shiny. That shows that Sanmartin has mastered quite a high craftsmanship with its products. It's not the cheapest homage brand in China, but it must be one of the best homage watches from China. And they have their own, some of them have their own elements, not just homage. And the steel bracelet, I would say, is very smooth, silky smooth, and they are assembled together, and you can feel their quality is high, much higher than the Pagani design, not comparable. But of course, it will cost you more money to get this Sanmartin. But if you wear a mechanical watch for a long time, you should surely own a better watch. But if you are just like me, change a watch every day, maybe you can buy Pagani. But so far, Pagani don't have this looking GMT. And you can see there are 24-hour markers on the bezel, which is a basic accessory for the GMT function. So this watch, I own it for less than 1 year, and so far there is no issue with its timekeeping. It's a very good watch, and the case shape you can see very clearly, looking like this, and its thickness is 13.5 mm, 13.5. Not very slim, but okay for me. And the bandwidth is 20 mm. The bandwidth at the lug is 20 mm, and it's a slim down bracelet, you can see. So here is bigger, and at the ends is trimmed to be a smaller. This watch lug to lug is 46.5 mm, and the case diameter is 39 mm with crown. So it's not a big dial, so it's suitable for people with big hand, big wrist or small wrist. It's a very good size for because it's a 39 mm case diameter. And this watch, it does not have a lot of lumed area, but its lume is a good quality. BGW-X1 blue light, the hands and the markers. BGW-X1 is a very strong lume material, so no worries about your visibility in the dark environments. Its water resistance is 100 meters, and far from enough compared to the daily hand washing need, and has a warranty of 2 years when you purchase from Sanmartin. So it's a very reliable watch. And let me know what you think about this watch. In my opinion, it's very it's excellent idea to buy this watch. And I also own one. This is I use my own money to purchase, and I think the dial is one of the most awesome advantage of this watch. And if you ask me what are the drawbacks, actually I can't think of any, because even for the clamps, it's not an ordinary clamps. It has micro adjustment. You can press here to do the micro adjustment. Okay. So there's many hidden details, which is very good about this watch. But it is the bracelet is of course a high quality one. But one thing to bear in mind is that at the lug location shows you that this bracelet is not a quick release one. It's a normal bracelet that you need tools to remove it. So what do you think about this watch? Let me know in the comments section. So thank you for listening to my sharing or review of this watch. Hope you like it, and please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.